your sleep moderator. It affects the endocrine system. So when you get into a number of different psychopathological disorders, right, you have to take a multidisciplinary approach because many areas have to be taken into consideration, primarily metaphysics and phenomenology, the structure of consciousness and human experience, how some psychopathological illnesses, right, how sensory perception, sensory modality, auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory, and I'll say kinesiology, not because it's a sensory modality, but it acts as that sometimes in neuro-linguistic programming. That's a different subject. So you see, multidisciplinary, you have to take many different areas into consideration. You know, a fascinating phenomenon outside the realm of scientific inquiry is the whole mind branch of philosophy that deals with mind and matter, substance and attributes. So multidisciplinary